Dear students, welcome to another video of social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions which can be asked from History Unit 2, the extension of the British rule. Come, let's start. The death of this Maratha strongman was a major setback to Marathas. Madhavrao II, Raghoba, Narayana Rao, Madhav Rao. Correct answer is D. Madhav Rao. The death of Madhav Rao was a major setback to Marathas. Let's move to second question. First Anglo-Maratha War ended with the Treaty of Madras, Treaty of Salbai, Treaty of Bessin, Treaty of Mangalore. Correct answer is B. Salabai. First Anglo-Maratha War ended with the Treaty of Salabai. Let's move to third question. The Maratha leader who became the Peshwa after the first Anglo-Maratha War was Madhav Rao II, Raghoba, Narayan Rao, Madhav Rao. Correct answer is Madhav Rao II. Madhav Rao II became the Peshwa after the first Anglo-Maratha War. Let's move to fourth question. The main reason for Second Anglo-Maratha War was subsidiary alliance, the death of Madhav Rao, the differences among the Maratha chieftains, the policies of Raghunath Rao. Correct answer is C. The differences among the Maratha chieftains. The main reason for Second Anglo-Maratha War was the difference among the Maratha chieftains or Maratha Federation or Maratha group. The Peshwa entered the subsidiary alliance system by accepting the Treaty of Bessin because the army of Scindia defeated the armies of Holkar and the Peshwa. The army of Peshwa defeated the armies of Scindia and Holkar. The British army defeated the armies of Scindia and the Peshwa. The army of Holkar defeated the armies of Scindia and the Peshwa. Here, correct answer is D. The army of Holkar defeated the armies of Scindia and the Peshwa. Let's move to question number 6. Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England because of his inefficiency, his weakness, his battle thirstiness, his defeat against the Marathas. Here, correct answer is C. His battle thirstiness. Question number 7. The last Peshwa of the Marathas was Narayan Rao, Bajirao II, Bajirao I, Madhava Rao. The last Peshwa of the Marathas was correct option B, Bajirao II. The Maratha leader who was made as the traditional leader by the British was Malhar Rao Holkar, Bajirao II, Appa Sahib, Pratap Simha. Correct answer is D. Pratap Simha. Pratap Simha was made as the traditional leader by the British after the end of Third Anglo-Maratha War. Let's move to question number 9. Lahore Agreement was signed between the British and the Marathas, the British and the Sikh, the British and Ranjit Singh and the Marathas. Here, correct answer is B. The British and the Sikh. Lahore Agreement was signed between the British and the Sikh. A political anarchy broke out in Punjab after the death of Dulip Singh, Chattar Singh Attariwala, Ranjit Singh, Mool Raj. Correct answer is Ranjit Singh. Option C. After the death of Ranjit Singh, a political anarchy broke out in Punjab. The British Governor General who merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire was Dalhousie, Wellesley, Robert Clive, Cornwallis. Correct answer is Dalhousie. Dalhousie merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire. The Sikh leader of Multan who opposed the attempts by the British to rule Punjab was Chattar Singh Attariwala, Mool Raj, Dilip Singh, Lal Singh. Here, correct answer is B. Mool Raj. Mool Raj was the Sikh leader of Multan. He opposed the attempts by the British to rule Punjab. The Sikh leader of Lahore who opposed the attempts by the British to rule Punjab was Chattar Singh Attariwala, Mool Raj, Dilip Singh, Lal Singh. Correct answer is A. Chattar Singh Attariwala. He was the Sikh leader of Lahore and he opposed the attempts by the British to rule Punjab. Dear students, these are the important multiple choice questions which can be asked in the exam. Thank you for watching this video.